That's enough na ha.
Muna naka-advantage sa mga bata nga ma-expose sa trabaho. Kay bisag di patabangon sila mo'y mamugos.
Ang mga kamot.
Oh, Karana,
Kiro na bitaw.
we need to make you proud. Wait, tatay. Sit down on it.
Nya po to?
Oh.
Nya.
We are making you proud.
It's so heavy. Say, it's so heavy.
At least there's a towel. It's like 1,000,000 feet tall.
That's enough na ha.
Wow.
Be careful. Because your hands. You forgot your hands.
We will rest for 2 minutes and after that we will grab another one.
Be careful ha.
Oh no.
That's enough na. You put it there. Oh, slowly. That's enough na.
Let's rest for 2 minutes. Can you alarm 2 minutes?
Action may kabalaka oy kay kaning duha ni agi na biya nagsiminto ilang kamot. Pero kaya man daw nila o maayo noon kay para dili mag cellphone. Da nawungal lagi.